Good morning, guys. So, I'll show you guys what I did, okay? Now, I'm in the process of cleaning, like crazy cleaning, okay? So, there's Movie, there's Moo, my big boy. Huh. That door is closed for a reason, okay? The stinkage past that door is something special, so I think I'll be sleeping out here with the dogs tonight. So I have this little like island thing from my mom that my mom's letting us use. So mommy, thank you, I love you. So I wanted to put this is the dining table. Okay. Now poor little Miss Maddie over here kept falling off because her head was clear down here and she kept falling off. Come on, Miss Maddie. Hi, little girl. And Maddie is 5 years old. She's 5 years old. She's 5 years old. I've had this little girl since she was a puppy. Yeah. So I took off the dishes. And
ass is killing me.
I don't doubt that. He's talking to me in the back. Hang on. Hold on. I don't know if it's not focusing or if it's dirty. Focus. Oh, there it is. Okay. So we put little Miss Maddie right there. We had to put the pillow underneath because it was uneven and she kept falling out that way. So we put the pillow underneath there, put her bed on top. Mufasa is currently in Xena's spot. Xena's in the back with hubby. But food, because we keep kicking the food bowl, so I was trying to figure out a way where it could be up and out of the way. Now, this little tub under here with a bag in it is also food. Yeah. So, there's that whole setup. Now, for dishes and whatnot, this is hubby's area. It looks a little overwhelming when it's like this, but I promise you I know what everything is over there. That's my corner, my makeup corner. That's a whole separate video in itself. So, but there's all of this for hubby's corner. And, 2 minutes, damn straws. So, there's that. I'm sitting here trying to do dishes and whatnot, but little Miss Maddie is out of her muzzle. We have been using, this is not actually flea and tick spray, it's an anti-itch natural oils for itching dogs. But yeah, there's all that. I wash my dog's bowls. I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to show you guys from my point of view what I get to see and what I'm dealing with right now. But this little thing over here moves. So I took all the dishes off of that, folded up the towels because obviously they were clean, and put the towels away. But you guys, this is gonna look so much more spacious. It's not gonna drive me as nuts. As for like, got myself in the hip. It hurt. As for all of my stuff is in kind of the middle room, the bathroom. The shower that's here, we kind of converted into a closet. Well, I converted into a closet for me because I just had that many clothes. So I gave him my closet. And I also have like towels, wash rags, all of that in there too. So there's all of that. I have no idea what is going on right here. Like, what is all of this? Somebody please help. Like, he's got to get his butt out here and organize this. I forgot to put my face cream away because it was on my desk, and I didn't want it on my desk. I wanted it in the back. Yeah. Ultimate Clean. Maddie Sock. Dirty Clothes Pile. So, Diet Coke wise, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, like, Diet Coke wise. If you guys want, picture updates, if you will, go to my Instagram and my Snapchat. You will find lots in the stories over there. I know I put Diet Coke somewhere else. Where the hell did I put it? I don't know. This is gonna drive my ass nuts. Drive my ass nuts. Aha! There it is. I hid it from myself. I don't know why the hell it's there, but it is. Anyway. I know I should have more, though. Where did I put them? I don't know. So, that's that. Guys, I hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, bye.